How to fix WhatsApp PDF not opening. So if you want to fix your WhatsApp PDF not opening problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply tap and hold on to that WhatsApp application. Go with the app info. Now under your app info, you need to tap on the notifications and make sure that you allowed all of the notifications for group chats, for individual chats, and everything. Once you turn on the notifications, now you need to go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now go back and here make sure that you've turned on the picture in picture option and set as default option. After that, you need to go back and restart your device and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then open up your Play Store and go with search. Under search, you need to simply search for WhatsApp. And once you've searched, if you have any updates under your WhatsApp Messenger, then you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you update it, then your problem might be fixed. But even if that doesn't fix your problem, then check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, then your problem will be fixed. You can simply switch to the mobile data or Wi-Fi, or you can just turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off, and that's it. That's how you can fix your WhatsApp PDF not working or not opening. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.